Ever spent an entire evening trying to make one explosion feel like it actually hits? That's exactly why this URP effect pack is such a blast. It drops a whole arsenal of polished particle systems right into your scene, ready to tweak and play. The big win is variety without setup pain. You get a huge range of effects, impacts, projectiles, magic, fire, and they're built for URP, so they look right in modern pipelines. Drag one in, assign a transform, press play, and your prototype suddenly feels 10 times better. Because it's a mega pack, you can go from gray box boring to explosion loaded in minutes. Mix and match prefabs, adjust colors and scales, and you'll get a cohesive style without handcrafting each effect from scratch. 291 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. Creators keep calling it a reliable everyday toolkit, and that many happy devs says more than any ad copy. The only catch is that it's URP focused, so if you're still working in built-in or HDRP, you'll need to adapt. Easy workaround, keep one small test scene in you and port effects when needed. At $15, that's just a few cents per effect if you use any serious chunk of the pack. This one is a steal. Hit the link and stock your VFX library today. Spot these deals yourself at mightyassetdeals.com. Filter by top-tier assets, sort by dollars saved, see price history. Deep dive any asset to read an AI summary of all reviews, see comparable assets, and more. What are the top 500 free assets right now? And a curated list of the top-tier assets in the Unity Asset Store. All updated daily with many new features to come. Go check it out today. Trees that wave like stiff plastic are a classic indie giveaway. This foliage shader pack fixes that immediately, giving your forests, meadows, and jungles that natural living motion that makes a scene pop. The shaders add per vertex wind animation, color variation, and response controls right in the material. That means grass bends as you push through, leaves rustle in gusts, and your environment feels like it's breathing, all without animation rigs. Setup is quick. Assign the shader, point it at your textures, dial in the response, and you can have a lush natural environment before your next stand-up. It's exactly the kind of polish that makes a prototype feel like a vertical slice. 305 reviews and a solid 4 stars. People consistently say it adds a ton of realism for almost zero effort, which is music to any jammer's ears. Since it's a shader solution, don't expect physics on every single blade of grass. It's visual motion, not full simulation. Workaround, save real physics for hero props and let the shader do the heavy lifting everywhere else. For $10, you skip dozens of hours hand animating sway cycles, a huge time saver. Links below, grab it and let your forest wave hello. Water is one of those things that can sink a jam build if it looks fake. The Ocean Toolkit gets you a functional infinite ocean with almost zero coding, and for a prototype, that's a massive win. You get real-time screen space wave meshes, foam lines, refraction, and even optional caustics on the seafloor. It pulls its weight on mobile too, tested on high-end Android chipsets, so your ocean can travel beyond the editor. The wave function is customizable, letting you control large-scale swells while scrolling normal maps handle small detail. If you pair it with the Buoyancy Toolkit, it works out of the box, perfect for pushing a crate or boat around without extra glue. It's at 4 stars with 1 review, so there aren't a ton of opinions yet, but the one that's there says it does exactly what it promises for quick water. Honest warning, the shader has a metallic-looking specular that can't be disabled, waves can feel rigid, and there's no shadow or fog support on the water. Workaround, lean into a stylized low-poly scene and skip fog, and it'll look like a deliberate choice. For $5, that's less than the late fee on a parking ticket, and you finally have water in your scene. Grab it right now via the link. Sometimes a game is stuck in gray box, and you can already tell it needs personality. This cartoon comics pack is the shortcut to that personality. Drop in bold outlines, playful colors, and instantly readable silhouettes. The assets are designed to read clearly on screen, so when you mix characters, props, and backgrounds, the whole scene starts to look like a finished comic panel. That's the kind of visual unity that makes a prototype hard to ignore. For a jam, speed is everything. You don't have to sit with a drawing tablet for hours. You throw these in and pivot to game feel. The cohesive look hides the rush and keeps players focused on the fun, not the gray blocks. 160 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. That's a lot of creators who got their cartoon worlds looking unified without commissioning custom art. The trade-off is that this is a very specific comic cartoon style, so it won't blend into realistic projects. Workaround, keep it for stylized games, or pair it with a matching outline post effect to unify other objects. At $10, treat yourself. You deserve a shortcut today. Your jam build wants that bold comic look, so click the link and make it happen. If your quests feel flat because the interactions just sit there, this FX pack is your answer. It gives you ready-to-go visual feedback for pickups, completions, and special moments, so the game loop reads instantly. The effects are made to be dropped directly onto objects or UI elements, so you can attach a burst to a quest reward or a highlight to an objective without spending forever in particle settings. That's immediate game feel for a prototype. Because the pack is built around action feedback, the effects stay small, punchy, and easy to tune. You can sprinkle them through a scene and still keep performance smooth, which is exactly what you need when your jam demo is running on a laptop. 159 reviews with a perfect 5 stars. People love that it adds game feel without writing a single custom particle system from scratch. The effects lean toward quest fantasy style, so a hard sci-fi project might need some color grading to fit in. Workaround, tweak the colors, and add a screen space glow to make them feel at home. At $10, if one client project uses this, it's paid off 100 times over. Business-wise, that's an easy yes. Grab it through the link. Shields are one of those sci-fi staples that need to look both fragile and powerful at the same time. This force field pack makes that easy. With effects you can drop on any object and feel instantly cooler. You get multiple force field styles with different colors, patterns, and energy types, so you can have a blue defensive bubble around a base or a red crackling barrier blocking a hallway. The material knobs let you tune the look while the game runs. Setup takes seconds because the prefabs are self-contained. Attach one to a gate, a player, or a boss, and it immediately reads as protected. That's a perfect way to communicate mechanics without a single tutorial pop-up. 136 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. People consistently say the effects are punchy, clean, and easy to customize on the fly. The pack is focused on visuals, not destructible shield mechanics, so you'll need to add your own health and break logic. Workaround, pair it with a collider and a few event hooks, and it'll feel completely custom. $15 sounds like a lot until you remember freelancers would charge many times that for one custom rig. Grab this instead and shield your next prototype with style. Links below. You know that feeling when a scene looks flat and you can't figure out why? 9 times out of 10, it's post-processing. These URP profiles are the quick fix, giving you cinematic color and atmosphere with zero guesswork. Each profile is ready to drag onto your volume and instantly changes the whole mood. Crisp daylight, moody horror, vibrant cyberpunk, whatever your jam needs. You can switch between them in the editor and build a look in minutes. The real beauty is how fast iteration becomes. Tweak one slider in the profile or stack 2 together for a custom hybrid, and you'll get a consistent look across all your scenes. It's a much smaller time cost than building a grading setup from scratch. 127 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. Artists and devs love that it removes the "why does my game look like a cheap render" moment. The catch is these are URP only, so built-in render pipeline users are out of luck unless they're converting. Workaround, use them as a visual reference and recreate the settings manually in your own pipeline. At $4.99, you're paying once for a whole mood library. No per project fees, no subscription. That's a small price for a big creative lift, so click the link. Chasing the perfect color grade can eat an entire night, especially during a game jam. This LUT pack gives you a huge collection of color lookup tables that you can apply in seconds and get a consistent film-like look. Each LUT is a one-click color transformation that sits over your scene or UI. You get a wide range of creative moods: warm, cold, contrasty, faded, without touching a single material or light. Just apply and compare. Because LUTs are so fast to swap, you can A/B test styles in minutes and lock in the mood that makes your screenshots sing. That's a huge polish win for a jam, and it fits right into Unity's post-processing stack. 105 reviews and a perfect 5-star rating. Creators mention it as one of those tools that instantly makes their projects feel more professional. LUTs are color transformations, so they won't fix broken lighting or bad composition. Workaround: balance your light a bit first, then use the LUT as the final magical touch. At $15, that's a one-time buy for a lasting color library, which is cheaper than renting filters and way more flexible. If one client project uses it, this one has already paid for itself many times over. Graybox worlds feel empty until you scatter some believable ground props around. This low-poly rocks pack is the fast way to add natural formations to your scenes without sculpting anything yourself. You get a solid set of rock meshes in a consistent low-poly style, ready for terrain, roads, caves, and cliff edges. They have clean silhouettes and sit naturally on the ground, so your landscapes read clearly from a distance. Since they're low-poly, they're cheap to render and easy to place in bulk. You can cover a hillside in rocks, vary the scale, and get a whole alien planet or mountain pass in minutes. 106 reviews and a perfect 5-star average. People love that these rocks make environments feel real without hurting frame rate. The pack is specifically low poly style, so photorealistic projects need to look elsewhere. Workaround: use them in stylized games or pair them with matching low poly nature assets to keep coherence. At $9.99, this is the kind of pack that shows up in every scene you build from now on. It's a tiny investment that multiplies in value every time you start a new sandbox. Grab it via the link. Flat green ground is a missed opportunity when your game could be running through a living meadow. This grass shader is the finishing touch that turns empty fields into convincing outdoor scenes. The shader handles wind, color variation, and large-scale grass rendering without melting your frame rate. You can scatter blades across a terrain and get that smooth, swaying lawn effect that makes players want to wander. Setup is simple because it's a shader-focused workflow. Apply it to your grass meshes, adjust density and wind strength, and you're done. It's a huge upgrade over stock terrain grass and a perfect final layer for a prototype. 94 reviews with a perfect 5 stars. Indie devs consistently say it's the missing piece that makes their outdoor scenes feel alive. It focuses on grass rendering, so it won't give you a full terrain tool or scattering painter. Workaround: use Unity's terrain or a simple spawner to place the grass, then let the shader handle all the looks. At $14.99, this is the rare asset that completes your whole scene's vibe in one pass. Grab it below. That is all for today. Do not forget to check out more deals right now on mightyassetdeals.com.